Okay, so number 2, we're going to distribute. Okay, and we literally just did this on our quiz, so most of you guys should be fine. So negative 10k minus 27, and then plus 27. Okay. Okay, is there anything we can combine? Huh? The k and k? So negative 10k and a 27k is going to give me what? 17k minus 27. Okay, so simplifying is where it should be in the simplest form. It should not have like x equals something or the other, okay? The next section on here is going to be all the solving equation ones. So it's going to be,
wait, wouldn't it be 17k?
it is.
Oh yeah, I was looking at the wrong one. It's 17k, yeah.
I think I said 27 now.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is going to be x equals something, okay? So everything else on your paper should say x equals, p equals, m equals, v equals, okay? And I actually want to start at the back side to make sure that I get through these distributing ones in case we have a fire drill. Okay, so go to the very last page. Not that far. Let's start at 16. Okay, so this is what we learned yesterday, and if you weren't here yesterday, you need to try extra hard today to get figured out. Okay. So our first step is going to be to do what?
Distribute.
Distribute. Okay, this is a test review. I'm going to write it on here, so it's going to be to distribute. Okay, so we got to distribute and distribute. Okay, so negative 6 times negative 7.
42.
42b. And then negative 6 times a positive 7.
Minus 42.
Okay, and then I got to, now we hit the other side. So 7 times 5 is 35b. And then 7 times negative 2.
Minus 14.
Okay, what is our next step?
Combine.
Yeah. Okay, so our next step is going to be to combine like terms. Okay, and you just combine on each side. So is there anything to combine on this side?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what about this side?
No, ma'am.
No, so we can kind of skip that step, okay? And then our step 3 is
Like the letters and the numbers switch sides. Like
letters to the left. And then we got numbers to the right. Okay, so 42b, is that a letter or a number?
That's a letter.
It's a letter. It has a letter in it. So, and it's on the left. So does it stay or get moved?
Stay.
It stays. Okay, look at the next one. Positive 40 or minus 42.
Oh, that's definitely.
It's a number, so does it need moved?
Yes.
Yeah, it needs moved to the right. So we got to say plus 42, plus 42. Okay, so these are going to cross out. And let's keep looking. So 35b, is that a letter or a number?
That's a letter.
It's a letter. Does it need moved?
Yes, to the left.
Yeah, it needs moved to the left. Okay, so how do I move 35?
You subtract it.
Subtract. Subtract. Okay, well, these ones cross out. So every single time you should have X's, like something crossed out on both sides. Okay, that's how it should work out. Okay, so I got 42 minus 35. 7b. And then I got a negative 14 plus 42.
So
28?
I added negatives. I need to calculate.
I think it's 28. I could be wrong.
I think it is too.
Same.
You think it's 28?
Holy crap! You want some calculator?
Okay, and then what's our last step always?
You have to divide.
Divide. Okay, and our last step is always going to be to divide. So b equals 4. Okay, let's look at 14. A 1 does go in front of that negative. Okay, so we can put a little 1 right here. Okay, and what's our first step? Always.
Distribute.
Distribute. So we got boom, 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 boom. Okay, so negative 1 times 8, it's going to be negative 8p. Negative 1 times negative 2, it's going to be plus 2, equals, and now we got negative 3 times p, it's going to be negative 3p. Negative 3 times a 4, negative 12, and then I still got this minus 6 over here. Okay, what's our next step? Combine. Okay, so is there anything we can combine on this side?
No.
No. Okay, let's look at this side. Is there anything we can combine?
Yes.
What?
12 and a 6.
The 12 and a 6 to give me a what?
18.
18. So I got negative 8p plus 2 equals negative 3p. And you said for these two we got negative 18.
Too smart for this.
Weren't you the one like, no, why is this so long?
I need to go to geometry. I'm too smart.
You are very, very smart, but you're not going to geometry.
Dang.
I've grown kind of fond of you.
They call me too dumb.
No, that means I like you. I don't want you to leave.
Wait, don't you teach geometry?
Yeah, but they're different.
Are
You wouldn't survive in there. It's so quiet.
Well,
Yeah, it really is.
Well, you know, I can make it unquiet, you know.
People think that, but, huh?
When do you have them?
When do I have them? Second period, which is
Yeah, I'll
fine.
have you next
It's
semester.
early in the morning. Okay, so now we're on step 3. So our letters to the left, numbers to the right. Negative 8p, does it need moved? No.
Yes.
Okay, where does it go?
To the 18.
To the 18, good. And these ones cross out. Okay, the minus 3p, does it need moved?
Yes.
Yes. So we say plus 3p, plus 3p. Okay, these ones cross out. So let's look at what we got left. So negative 8 plus 3p, negative 5p. And I got a negative 18 minus 2.
0.
Negative 20.
Dang.
And what's our last step always? Divide. P equals 4. Oh, 11 does look really long.
Dude, I told you.
I was brushing this morning. I had 2 meetings this morning.
What did
And
you do?
it's alright, we're moving on.
Dude, you're gonna make my head explode.
Looks like fun to me. Looks like it would be a good extra credit question tomorrow.
I'm gonna die of a headache.
Holy crap.
You'll be fine.
Depression. You wanna do 11 for us?
Yeah, I am. I'm not doing it for us. We can do it together.